Guys, if you can hear this, there's a sound right there. It's been going on for minutes, and I just noticed that, and I decided to start recording, and yeah, it's been going on for minutes. It sounds like a plane, but it's not moving. I don't know if you can hear that. I'm just going to leave this on for a while so that you can believe me. But I'm telling you guys, I'm sitting right here and I can hear it, and it's not moving. You know how you can even tell when a plane is moving far away from you? This sound is just there. It's just sitting in one place. It's not moving. It's not... I don't know. It's weird. I'm just going to leave this on for a few seconds. It's been 1 minute and 40 seconds since I started recording this video, and guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but any plane should have gone or should be at least far away by now, but it's still there. If anything, it's getting louder. That's a good sign. I mean, it's moving. It's not really moving. Guys, it's not moving. 2 minutes now. It's not going anywhere, guys. Just tell me what you think.